In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Pipedrive account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Pipedrive account. To do this, simply head over to the Pipedrive website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll notice an icon that looks like a question mark. This is the Quick Help icon. Click on it to open up the help options available to you. Once you've clicked the Quick Help icon, a sidebar menu will pop up. From this menu, tap on the option that says Chat with Us. This will connect you to a support representative who can assist you with your request. When you're chatting with the support representative, let them know that you want to delete your account. It's important to mention that, for security reasons, Pipedrive requires this request to be made manually through their support team in order to permanently close your account. So don't get discouraged. Just clearly state your intentions, and they will guide you through the process. After you've expressed your desire to delete your account, the representative will likely ask you for some additional details to verify your identity. This can include your account information or other details that confirm you are indeed the registered user. Make sure to provide any requested information promptly to help expedite the process. Once you've confirmed your details with the agent, they will begin the process to delete your account. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, meaning once your account is deleted, you cannot recover any of the data or information related to it. It's a good idea to be sure about your decision before finalizing it. And that's it. You've gone through all the steps to delete your Pipedrive account. To recap, you logged into your account, accessed the help section, requested the account deletion through a support chat, and provided any verification details required. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone else who might need assistance with this process. I understand that deleting an account can be a significant decision, and I hope this guide made it clear and straightforward for you. Thank you for watching. If you still have questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Also,